Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Big Data Solution. Today I'm discussing on the topmost interview question, coalition versus repartition. Before start and discussion, firstly I'll suggest you, please guys, stay at home due to coronavirus and save your family. Now let's begin. So coalition basically it is a transformation of RDD. What is RDD? RDD is a collection of record which is stored in distributed manner. It means the data is not stored on same node. It is stored on different nodes in some partitions. Like if RDD is holding the data, and by default it stores some number of partitions as per your configuration. So those number of partition is create, and the data is split on different nodes in those partitions, in those chunk. So when you apply coalition, and what is benefit? Coalition basically it apply if a RDD and the RDD having like 100 partitions, and in that case if you want to reduce some number of partitions, in that case we apply coalition like 200 to 100. So there is a RDD having some method that can reduce. There is RDD dot coalition 100. If you give, then it reduces the number of partitions. So I'll show you practically how it happens. And the benefit is when you apply coalition, there's one example I'll show you. See, node 1, 1, 2, 3 record is there. Node 2, 4, 5, 6. Node 3, 7, 8, 9. Node 4, 10, 11, 12. It means there is a one RDD, and that one RDD having 4 partitions. It means some chunk of data is on node 1, some chunk of data is node 2, some chunk of data is node 3. It means all 4 nodes containing different partitions records is there. When you apply coalition, it means earlier RDD having 4 partitions, all the data in different nodes. Now I am to coalition and reducing the partition 2. So what will happen? Node 1 data is stay without any moving, without any shuffling. Node 4 data will come to merge in the node 1. 10, 11, 12, you can see 10, 11, 12 is coming. 10, 11, 12 is coming in node 1, and on node 3 data is not moving, only node 2 data 4, 5, 6 is coming. So in that case whole data is not shuffling here and there, only some part of data is some partitions data on different nodes that is coming on different nodes. So only 2 nodes data is shuffling. But if you can see node 1 and node 3, they are not required to moving, only node 4 data is coming to node 1, and node 3 only node 2 data is coming. So their shuffling is very less in coalition. There is one biggest advantage. Now I'm coming to repartition. What it happened? Repartition basically it is a one of transformation, and it can increase also and decrease also. But the benefit of RDD repartition is when you want to increase the number of partitions, like it currently is 100 partition, I want to increase 150 or 200. In that case, repartition we apply, because if you want to more partition increase, then that time when the execution happen, so executor take less data, and there is no any issue of memory issue in executor side. Executor memory issue will not happen because there is no overloaded on one executor. So you will increase the partition for avoiding the less burden and more achieve parallelism for executor job. And the biggest benefit in every partition, the number of amount of data in each and every partition is completely balanced. Like 200 record is there, and if you have 10 partition to 20 having, uh, 200 record and 10% is there. Every partition having 20 record will there. It is balancedly the amount of data in each and every partition. They know any some having more record, some partition having less record. It will not happen in every partition. Repartition give balance record in equal size amount of record in each and every partition. That is the biggest advantage in repartition because data will fully shuffled on different nodes. In earlier see in college only node 3 data is only node 1 node 4 data is coming on node 3 only 4 5 6 node 2 data is coming on node 3, so only two nodes data is shuffling, but here in repartition all data is shuffled and make a balanced amount of record in each and every partition. That is biggest uh, advantage also, and in the terms of if you achieve more parallelism, and disadvantage is more data is shuffling, that is disadvantage in repartition. Now I'll show you the practical. You can see this is my record. I am loading the data with the help of a Spark session object, spark.read.text. I am loading the data and it is giving line df, it means data frame. After then line df.show, I am just showing the records. It means I am reading the one file and whole data I read, and with the help of show method I am just see the only 5 records here. After then I am checking how many partition is there. Line df.rdd.get number partition, it is giving 1. It means currently that rdd data frame, basically it internally rdd is there, so it only having partition is line df.rdd, it means converting in rdd, and after then get number partition, because get number partition is a method of rdd, so it is giving that rdd how many number of partition, it is giving 1. So now I want to increase the number of partition. So line df dot repartition 5. It means I am increasing and storing the, because repartition is transformation. The result transformation I am storing line df 1. Resultant transformation data frame 1. That line df 1 dot get number partition. Get number of partitions, that is giving error. Okay. Line df dot rdd dot get number partition, because get number partition is a method of RDD. So data frame I am converting in RDD, and after then get number partition. How many number partition is there? 5. It means we have increased. Now I am result I am just writing here. Data frame dot write dot format. In text format I am to write dot save. I am saving the result here. All data is saved. Because why I am saving? I will show you how many amount of record and how it's saving. Now, so output is repartition folder. If you see repartition folder, if you see the repartition folder, data is writing here. See how many? Because there are 5 partitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. See the amount of record, 7, 6, 7, 7, 5. It means almost the number of each and every person having almost number the amount of record is equal size, like 7, 7, 6, 5. But almost the amount of record in each and every person having same. If you have 5 person, the number of that much number of file dump. Number of those number of partition record is dump. Part is 000, 001, 02, 03, 04. It means 5 partition, 5 file dump while you write. After then, I am doing coalesce, because data frame 1 having how many partitions? 5. So now I am coalesce 2. It means I am reducing the number of partitions, and resultant transformation result storing data frame 2. After that I am checking line df.rdd.get number of partition. It is giving 2. It means I have changed. With the help of coalesce, I am changing the number of partitions. It is given 2. After that resultant transformation data from 2, I am writing dot write dot format text save in output folder coalesce. Colis folder I'm writing. If you see the in Colis folder, how many number of partitions? The content is, this is the content, actual content. Two partitions, 0, 1, only two partitions because Colis applied 2. So only two record is there. First record is here and second record is here. So such way the data is stored. And underscore success means it is giving information that file already successfully write. And so dot success that is showing that it is successfully written. And CRC file it is for it's a metadata information. And the basic thing, the actual difference you see here, the data file it is written here. See, 12 in one partition and 19 in other partition. This is a huge difference. It means it is a huge difference because the data is reducing in the data is while reducing, it means Colis you are reducing the data. So it is not balancedly distribute amount of data in each partition. It is a different. Some partition having less record, some partition having more record. But if you see in the repartition, the amount of data is the amount of data 5, 7, 7, 6, 7. It means almost equal amount of data in each and every partition. So this is a big difference in the RDD and Colis. And in repartition having more shuffling of data, but in Colis there are less shuffling of data. That is another difference. And the data is written while in when you apply Colis, and if you write the amount of data in each and every partition having disbalance, it will not equal. But in the repartition, there is the amount of data in each and every partition having balance, equal size record will be in each and every file, in each and every partition. So that is a big difference. Okay, thank you guys. In next video, I'll show you the Spark optimization. Thank you.